Today I am going to show you how to use a LDR with Arduino. So for this project we will need an Arduino board, a breadboard, a LDR, some wires, a resistance and a LED. Okay. LDR stands for light dependent resistor, and this is a light controlled variable resistor. The resistance of LDR is inversely proportional to the light intensity. It means that the resistance of a LDR decreases with increasing incident light intensity. So we can use LDR as a sensor for our different projects with the help of Arduino. Now I will show you the circuit for our project. We will take the breadboard and Arduino board. We will connect the LDR, the breadboard, in this manner. Then we will take the resistor and connect it in the breadboard in this manner. So now you can see that there are three outputs: 5 volt, data output and ground. Now we will connect the wires. We will connect this pin with Arduino's 5 volt pin. We will connect the data pin to Arduino's A0 pin or analog 0. We will connect the ground pin, and this will be our circuit. In addition, we are going to use the LED. We will connect the negative leg of the LED with Arduino's ground pin. We'll connect the positive leg of the LED with Arduino's pin 8. And this will be the final circuit of our project. Okay, so let us discuss about the code for our project. Our LDR is connected in Arduino's analog 0 pin. The LED is connected in Arduino's digital pin 8. We have declared LDR as an input and we have declared LED as an output. Another integer input will store the analog values of LDR, and then it will be displayed in the serial monitor after every 1 second. And if the value is less than 5, then the LED will glow, else it will remain off. So let us upload the code in our Arduino. Okay. Our project is ready, so it's time for testing. Yeah, it's working. As you can see that when I decrease the light intensity, the LED turns on, and again when the light intensity increases, the LED turns off. And in the serial monitor you can see the following values: 10, 11, 3, 8, 15, 13, etc. So our project is ready and it is working fine. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.